Good morning, online owls. It's Mrs. Leach here. It's your Friday assembly on March 12th, 2021. Let's start out with a little bit of movement. It's a brain break, a spring would you rather.
Yoo-hoo! Welcome to Brain Break, the games where we energize our body to ignite our mind. This is a game of springtime. Would you rather? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more great games. In this game, you will have 10 seconds to choose between two options of springtime activities, and then 20 seconds to do the matching activity. Here we go. Would you rather take a hike or have a picnic? If you said take a hike, you get to run in place. And if you said have a picnic, you get to do squats. Would you rather play golf or play baseball or softball? If you said play golf, you get to dance the floss. If you said play baseball or softball, you get to do standing elbows to knees. Once the weather gets warmer, would you rather stay bundled up and warm, or would you have your shorts on right away? If you said bundled up and warm, you get to punch the speed bag. And if you said shorts on ASAP, you get to do jumping jacks. Would you rather dig for worms in the garden or catch some tadpoles at the pond? If you said dig for worms, you get to balance on one foot. If you said catch some tadpoles, you get to do squat punches. Would you rather play in the rain or play in the mud? If you said play in the rain, you get to balance in star pose. If you said play in the mud, you get to dance the dance of your choice. Would you rather ride a bike or rollerblade? If you said ride a bike, you get to do a squat hold. If you said rollerblade, you get to dance the robot. Great work, my friends. Hey, it's time for...
Great job, everybody. It's now time for your morning announcements. Are you wearing your favorite color today for Spirit Day? Daylight savings time begins on Sunday at 2 o'clock in the morning, so remember to set your clocks ahead on Saturday night. Wednesday is St. Patrick's Day. You might want to be on the lookout for little leprechauns looking to get into mischief, and green will be the color of the day. I want to remind you and invite you to come join me at Tinker Club on Tuesdays at lunchtime. Starts at 12 o'clock, ends around 12:45. You can come see me at Ask Mrs. Leach. And now it's time for Friday's joke. What is an astronaut's favorite key on the keyboard. The space bar. Have a great day of learning. Stay healthy and safe this weekend.